Hello guys, and welcome to my 10th video tutorial on XHTML and CSS. In this video we're going to start finally with some CSS code, and let's go right away to portal and open page1.html with our notepad++. Okay, to start doing some CSS code, we have to type this thing here, style type equals text CSS and close style tag. Okay, the style tags, these style tags must be always inside the head tags. Okay, as you can see, I have here my head tags, and I have then inside the title, and after the title you can write the style tags. Okay, so inside the style tags is where we're going to type all our CSS code. But before we type anything in CSS, let's just make some content on the body. Hello world, and a paragraph now, and let's type my name is Victor. You can type whatever you want. Okay, let's see this in Chrome. Okay, hello world, and my name is Victor. Now we have this content here. Now I want to change this from black, okay, to green. And how do I do that? So I'm going to style the content between the h1 tags. To do that, I have to choose a selector as the same name as the tag. So I choose h1, I type h1 in, and then curly braces. Okay, and inside curly braces I will type the property that I want to change for the content inside h1 tags, and I want to change the color to green. Okay, and end it with semicolon here. Okay, so let's save this, open, refresh, and here it is. Okay, green color for the content inside h1 tags. Now let's go and change this one. So I choose, as I did in h1, I choose the selector, which we call this the selector. I choose the p selector that refers to p tags, p selector, and inside I'll give it a color of, let's give it purple, and end it with a semicolon, save it, open, refresh, and there it is. Okay, purple. Okay, so with selectors, we choose selectors with the same name as the tags. Okay, to change the properties of the content. Okay, so let's change, for example, the body. We can change the body also. The body, as you know already, is all of this. Okay, is basically all our web page. So what am I going to change in the body? I'm going to change, for example, this white color. I don't want this white color. I want this in blue color, which is the background color. So let's go here and place the body selector here, and now background, oops, sorry, background color, and what was the color? It was blue. So the background color is going to be blue now. And let's save this, open this, refresh, and there it is. Okay, all our web page has a background blue color now. So let's go and type another property. For example, now I want inside the body whatever content is inside the body, I want it to be in with the font size, let's say 20 pixels. Okay, let's open our browser, refresh, and you see now either H1 content or P content changed to the 20 pixel font size. Okay, so everything is inside the body, everything that is inside the body as a content will change to font size 20 pixel. So in the body we can define generally all the properties that we want. Okay, in this video, in this properties here, you see that the colors, I'm just using the name of the colors. Okay, blue, green, purple. But you'll see along the course that I will start using maybe some numbers instead of the name, and those numbers are codes, or it's a 6-digit code, which is the X code of RGB colors. Okay, you can go. Let's go now to Google to understand this better. You can go to Google and search for type this RGB colors, search for it, and you can go and click any page. I'm sure any page will clarify this to you and will show you a big list of colors, and those colors have values or a hex code, which are these are the codes. Okay, so this is a code for black, this is the code for blue violet, you know, and this is for coral, crimson. You have an infinite number of colors with this 6-digit code that you can use in CSS. Okay, so this lime here, now let's use this light gray here, copy, let's go to our code here, and instead of black background color blue, I'm using that code, okay, of that gray. I think it was gray. Okay, let's see the result. Let's refresh our page, and there it is. Okay, nice. So you can use that way to change colors with those codes. Okay. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you did understand all about the beginning of CSS code. But if you have any doubts or questions, just send me a message or post a question in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I see it. Okay, guys? So see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.